This 2027 Jayco J Feather 23RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, water heater, LP detector, microwave, TV, stovetop burner, skylight, awning, smoke detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Jayco J Feather 23RK is 5,765 pounds. This 2027 Jayco J Feather 23RK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.